Good morning. Just another beautiful day in the Smokies. The sun is up. Today, we changed our plan to go 15 miles. The elevation profile is mostly downhill, so I think we're gonna be able to coast this and get it done in about 6 hours. We're trying to really beat the rain that's gonna be possible on Friday. Yeah, today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. So we'll get down into Davenport Gap, and then we'll be about 3 miles away, 2 miles, so that's nothing. That's like an hour's worth. An hour in the rain is better than all day in the rain, which is what our original plan was going to be until we saw the weather coming in a little bit more. But yeah, beautiful morning. The hike has been relatively easy going up, and didn't really sleep very well last night for some reason, but it was warmer, so that's good. Just a bit of toss and turning and little aches and pains from the trail bother me all night. But yeah, soon we'll be out of the Smokies into Standing Bear. It's actually a Standing Bear farm, but it's a hostel. It's like a Nero. Recharge everything because I may have 50% of my phone battery, and that's all I got left for the next 2 days. So it's off. I'll turn it on from time to time. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Enjoy some sunlight whenever I see it through the trees and get moving. All right, on the hike. Smokies views do not disappoint. Not even a little bit. Wow. See forever over there. Yeah, I'd say it's worth the effort. Definitely. Well, let's see. We just passed the helicopter pad that's back there. A little spot open for, assuming, rescues. And there's supposed to be some plane debris from an old crash, and I think this is part of that debris right here. Maybe there's more up there. Let's find out. All right, we're at this divide here. We're gonna end up getting to Davenport Gap in about 5.2 miles, but Mount Kammerer is 0.6 in that direction, and there's supposed to be a really cool fire tower, so slack packing up to there and then coming back and meeting the trail to continue on. But yeah, let's go check out this tower. With a little bit of scramble to get up here. But check it out. Fire tower. Yeah. Yay. What's that? Was Gunner with you? He was just behind me. There we go.
Okay, where'd it come from?
That's a good question. Oh, let's take a tour around the side. 360 degrees. Got a navigator. Hey. What a view up here. Wow. Yeah, I think 0.6 is definitely worth seeing all this and kind of experiencing the I don't know, the view, I guess.
It's I-40 down there.
That's I-40?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
So,
We've been joined by Smoke and Dozer. Geo, and there's Pac-Man back there.
Yo, yo, yo.
And Pac-Man is planning to stay in here. Where his pack is in the corner. Yeah, right over there. That's where he's going to stay tonight. And enjoy the windy ass day that's going to happen. But what a view he's going to have when the sun rises. If the tower doesn't tip over by then. What'd you think of the tower? It's pretty cool, huh? We're coasting down, I think it's like 4.7 miles to the Davenport Gap. And today would be a total of 15 miles. Yeah! Some of our largest miles so far. Behind me is Navigator Mariposa, and then Smoke, Master, and Dozer. And Pac-Man is actually going to go stay the night up in that tower. It's going to be amazing views and sunrise. It's going to be awesome. Hell, even sunset's going to be amazing up there. So he's going to make sure to get some good footage and send it our way. If I get it in time, I'll go ahead and drop it in this video. But yeah, this downhill has been good grade. Nice descent. We're like blazing through the miles right now, so get a nice rest, and tomorrow a Nero and Standing Bear with a little bit of trail magic from what we hear. It's always appreciated. Yeah, I'm gonna move on, get to hiking. All right, Davenport Gap Shelter, here we go. 15 miles down, easy day. Especially when most of the elevation is going down. You can kind of just let gravity do its thing. Yeah, here we go. To the shelter, a little rest. And tomorrow, we go to Standing Bear.
It was like, oh, it's probably a crack in the wall. But
all right,
no,
so we have our
all the way
first
over there.
reptile.
Like now it's back right.
And it seems like Smoke is really afraid
I don't
of
like snakes. I'm not a fan of
snakes. Yeah,
snakes.
all right, let's check out the evil snake now. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here we go.
it's just like
Hanging out.
contouring the rock.
Get in there. And...
That was exciting.
Not to disturb him. Oh, my bad. You're out.
Sorry, buddy.
Alright. Hello.
Did you just hurt?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you notice him?
I immediately turned around and he was within
There he
arm's
comes.
reach.
Oh my
away
gosh,
from me.
it's coming.
There he
I thought it was
comes.
going out.
He's coming out.
Change
If you touch his tail, I'll move again. There he is. Just a little
Claudia, you
guy.
said you like animals.
I do.
Grab him.
Oh, yeah,
He's moving on his own.
Move him very far away.
If he
coming
doesn't
that
move
way,
away from the
does it?
shelter on his own, I will. But I think he's doing that on his own.
Yeah, he's getting
He's going on his
out. And thank you, Rodent Killer. We are now setting you free.
I'm gonna take him away. No guarantee that he won't come back because
Yeah,
this
of
is where he
course,
likes to
yeah.
hang
You
out.
probably
but-
Yeah. Nice. Good job,
Toilet
Crockett.
area, water source, up the hill. I guess I'll go back up the hill.
12, it
Yeah.
could be 14, it could be 16 miles.
Down by the water. Holy shit!
No way.
It's like the two 20-something-year-old men you scared.
No way. No shot. I can't stay.
That's so good. Oh, I'll remember this
We got a lot
forever.
of black snakes in Indiana.
Yeah.
Have you seen a black snake in Indiana?